here's the calamari bento box. Here comes the salad, tzatziki sauce, and for the sides today we have farmer market veggies, fasolada, it's a bean stew. Here comes the Japanese sweet potato and a slash of panna coppita. For the Japanese sweet potato, we're going to do dressed with arugula pistachio pesto, pomegranate balsamic from T&D Farms, nouveau, pickled red onion, and Wild King salmon skewer dressed with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of lemon juice and a bit of Greek oregano on top, and that's it. Calamari bento box. Enjoy.